In this video, we will learn the use of swept surface tool. Let's say we're designing an exhaust system for a car. Now, the exhaust piping has to go from the engine to the back end of the car. So you have to guide it along a path, which might be sometimes complicated or might be sometimes taking different turns. Simple turns, that is. So, as an example, let's say we have created a path. Just for the sake of example, we will draw this curve as something like this. Okay, and let's say we're being a little creative in this part so that I can show you some different uses of the swept surface tool. For the profile, because this is going to be the path, for the profile of the pipe, we're going to create rectangular. Yeah, let's create a rectangular pipe section. Okay, when you're done, so this is the profile that we want to create for the pipe, and this is the path that it will follow. Select the swept surface tool, select the profile, and then select the path, and thus we have created a custom pipeline, a pipe system. Now we can do a number of things. Let's select the swept option and select the edit feature. Let's say you want to twist the design of this. How do you do it? Go to the options here, select profile twist, and let's say select specific twist value. So it will ask you with a twist, either you want to do it with a twist control, a revolution, or a radian. Let's say we go with the degrees, and let's say give it a 45-degree. You will see it is rotating within that axis, right? So let's make it 90. You will see there is more rotation within the path when it is going, right? So now you see a twisted pipe. You go to the same options again, and let's say select the revolution instead of a degree. Let's say we have 5 twists in this case. Okay, as the path is pretty small and the number we have provided is higher, it cannot be created. So that's one of the things that you need to remember, how many twists we are gonna provide on this. So let's say we go with a smaller number, let's say 0.5 twist in between, which is an acceptable number. And as you can see, the twist has changed.